To understand the mechanism of action of antibiotics, let us consider a corrupt kingdom wherein the bacteria represents the fortress and your DNA is the corrupt king. So the antibiotics, which are your protesters, they rise to the occasion and they protest against the king. So as soon as they arrive at the fortress, they see the walls which are very high. So one of them exclaims, "Walls built very high." These are your beta lactams and your vancomycin, which ultimately break down these walls and then enter into the fortress. Half of them go on to destroy the weapon factory, which is your 30S and your 50S. These produce your proteins, which are your weapons. And the other half, they scream, "Quick, ram the DNA." So, what are these quick ram the DNA? These stand for your quinolones, rifampicin, and metronidazole. These take down the king. Coming to the other half of the protesters who have reached the factories, they barge at 30 and they cancel the 50. So, what are these antibiotics? These are your aminoglycosides and tetracycline. Cancel stands for chloramphenicol, clindamycin, erythromycin, which are your macrolides, and linezolid. Following this, they're very angry and they want to break your fortress. So, these will be your polydap. Polydap. What are polydaps? These are your polymyxins and daptomycin. They act on your plasma membrane. So polymyxin punches holes and daptomycin depolarizes them. These act on your cell membrane. And coming to the last class of antibiotics are the ones which act on the nutrition, that is the folate. So these are your sulfonamides and trimethoprim. They shut down the folate kitchens of your bacteria. So let's see what acts on the cell wall. Wall built very big. These are your beta lactams and vancomycin. What acts on the DNA? Quick ram the DNA, quinolones, rifampicin, and metronidazole. What acts on the protein synthesis machinery? These are your barge at 30, which is your aminoglycosides and tetracyclines, and cancel your 50, which is your chloramphenicol, clindamycin, erythromycin, which is your macrolide, and your linezolid. The cell membrane is acted upon by the polymyxins and the daptomycin, and sulfonamides, trimethoprim. They act on your folate kitchens.